day, morning, whatever you want to call it, and she forgot to take her, and she forgot the maxi pads or whatnot. Although Mother Nature, she told me she was going to be taking a vacation because her and Father Time got into a big old fight. Because he seems to be moving at a rabbit's pace. Father Time seems to be moving at a rabbit's pace, and Mother Nature, she doesn't want to move that fast. I mean, now thinking about it. November 30th, 2020. Now come on now. Just stop and think about that. Doesn't it seem like yesterday we were celebrating New Year's? This year just flown by so fucking fast. It's fucking pathetic. Little Susie and Tommy was taken to Grandpa's house by Mommy and Daddy. Little Susie runs in there into the living room, jumps on Grandpa's knee, and begs and asks him, "Grandpa, can you talk like a frog?" Grandpa says, "No, honey, I can't talk like a frog." So she starts begging him, please, Grandpa, please, talk like a frog, talk like a frog." "Honey, I'm sorry, I can't talk like a frog." 15 minutes of this. Little Susie's begging Grandpa to talk like a frog. And Grandpa keeps telling her, "Honey, can't talk like a frog, sorry." So Susie calls into the kitchen, "Tommy, Grandpa can't talk like a frog."